In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paid Telegram group with Whop. If you're looking to monetize your Telegram community and offer exclusive content or services, Whop provides a seamless solution. Let's dive right into the process, making sure you know exactly what to do every step of the way. First and foremost, you need to log into your Whop account. If you're new to Whop, be sure to create an account on their website first. It's a straightforward process and doesn't take long at all. By logging in, you're setting the stage for all the subsequent steps, as Whop is where we'll manage everything related to your paid Telegram group. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the products section on the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Click on Create Product to start the process of setting up your exclusive membership. This will allow you to establish the foundational elements of your paid group, making sure everything is organized and ready for your audience. Next, it's time to enter the membership details. This involves filling in the name of the membership, setting a price, and providing a clear and enticing description. Keep the description candid and compelling. Let potential members know exactly what they're signing up for and why it's worth every penny. Essentially, this is where you communicate the value of your group and what the subscribers can expect. After you've diligently filled in all the necessary membership details, you'll need to hit Create to finalize the product setup. This action will generate a purchase link, the key that connects potential members to your exclusive Telegram group. Consider this the bridge between your Whop account and the thriving community you're about to build. With the product created, the next step is to share the purchase link. This is how you invite and attract your audience to become paying members of your Telegram group. Share this link across your social media platforms, through email newsletters, or wherever your audience frequently engages with you. The more visibility you give this link, the better your chances of successfully growing your paid community. Lastly, managing your members and their access is crucial, and Whop has you covered. From your Whop dashboard, you can oversee all members, handle access permissions, and ensure everyone receives the value they signed up for. Regularly engaging with your members and providing top-notch content will keep them interested and active. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set the groundwork for a thriving paid Telegram group using Whop. Tailor these steps to fit your unique style and audience, and you're ready to provide an exceptional experience for your community. Thank you for watching, and happy group building.